And we have some news just coming in, and the story is from Goa. Goa Medical College is what we are learning, has reported 13 deaths of COVID patients between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. because of dropping oxygen levels. No lessons learned from the past clearly. Once again, people are dying inside the COVID ward. Officials are saying it is due to logistics that's being a problem there. Many cops and security guards arrive and stop. India Today asked the team to show the reality. On Tuesday, 26 people had died. On Wednesday, 20 people had died. The saga continues, essentially. On Thursday, 15 people had lost their lives. Today, 13 more people have died. The government appointed an inquiry committee to probe into oxygen supply issues at the Goa Medical College. Saurav Akhtania is there getting us more details on that story. Saurav, you've been getting us reports of the horrific situation there. Clearly, over the last few days, the manner in which oxygen or lack of oxygen supply has led to deaths, but there have been very little lessons learned, clearly, isn't it?
Absolutely, Sneha, no lessons learned. And the health infrastructure has completely crumbled in the state of Goa. This is the topmost Goa Medical College hospital over here, and every day so many people are continuously dying. And here, this is the most important reason. Sneha, let our viewers show the exact visual. Through tractors, through this particular tractors, look at the situation in the state of Goa. Through tractors, these oxygen cylinders are being continuously brought in. There is no proper infrastructure, no proper transport system. And through this tractor and trolleys, these oxygen cylinders have been brought over here. Now what it has done, Sneha, through here, this oxygen is supplied into the COVID ward. But due to the logistic issue, and for the past so many days, Sneha, due to this logistic issue, the oxygen level suddenly drops inside the COVID ward, and therefore patients die due to lack of oxygen. The High Court has come down so heavily on the state government as well as the officials over here, but no lessons have been learned. Today, 13 patients have died between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. And certainly, when we try to speak to the officials over here, we try to speak to the dean of this particular hospital, he just ran away. We asked him so many questions, but he sat in his car and left from here. There is so much they are saying that there is no shortage of oxygen supply, there is no shortage of beds, but the ground reality in Goa is very depressing. Patients inside this particular hospital, let me tell you, they are in corridors, they are on passage, they are lying anywhere. They don't even have basic facilities like pillow and mattresses. Patients' relatives are risking their life. They are going inside this COVID ward and they are supplying all this equipment. So such is the condition in Goa, and let me tell you, Sneha, this situation is continuously escalating. The positivity rate is so high that every second person who has been tested in Goa is coming out positive. The recovery rate is not more than 70%. So something has to be done. People can't just die due to lack of oxygen.
Yes.
Every day so many people are dying. Tomorrow will be an important day when High Court will be again sitting and hearing this whole matter.
All right, Saurav, thanks for getting us up to speed with that horrific situation there in Goa. We also have a reaction from the Dean of Goa Medical College. Listen in.
Sir, 13 patients have died today, sir. Sir, 13 patients and regularly patients are dying. Sir, small, sir. Sir, how are patients dying? Sir, 13 patients have died today, sir. Sir, 13 patients and regularly patients are dying. Sir, small, sir. Sir, how are patients dying?
Going across straight to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.